We are pleased to show you the 2025 Jetta. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, heated front seats, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.